Dear viewers, welcome to Murads kitchen. Today we're gonna show you how to make yummy, delicious egg and cheeseburger. First of all, we need some bread rolls. We need egg, cheese, tomatoes, and a little bit of salad. Of course, you need salt and pepper with that. First of all, we're gonna fry the eggs. We're gonna put some oil in a pan. If you got a cutter, that will be great to do that. We're gonna put some salt and pepper on them. We're gonna cut the bread. Cheese on top. We put it under the grill. Viewers, now we're gonna put our fried egg. Put some tomatoes. And some lettuce. Viewers, have a look how beautiful that looks. It's lovely, yummy, delicious egg and cheeseburger. Enjoy and bon appetit. Ah, yum.